Hi, my name is Chris and I'm at J-Tech today to show you how to remove and deconstruct the strut. So there's 5 bolts at the top before the video started. I removed 4. What you want to do is push up on the strut. Take this bolt out. And then the strut fork, we all pop that off and you just want to that's how you get the strut out of the car. Alright, you see we got the strut mounted up. We got the clamps mounted to the spring. So we finna go ahead and decompress it. Alright, we got the screen compressed. You know it's compressed enough when you can move the strut like this. Now I'm finna take the strut out and show you the parts.
Yeah, you don't need a screen.
Alright, so I got the strut disassembled. So you see we got the strut right here.
That's what I'm teaching.
The bump stop. The dust boot.
This is surprising.
The top mounting plate. The washer. The washer that goes under.
Surprising for a BMW to just be sparkling.